All right, guys, we have some news here from Cointelegraph. And CNBC host, this guy's like a financial guru, Jim Cramer, cashed out of half of his, and he quoted it as funny money Bitcoin to pay off his mortgage. So Jim Cramer was gloating about the fact that he invested in Bitcoin when it was at 12,000 and then cashed out of it to pay his mortgage. Here's the tweet. Jim Cramer discloses that he bought a lot of Bitcoin when it was around 12K. He says he sold half of it to pay off his mortgage yesterday. It was like phony money paying for real money. I think I won. Well, my first question to Jim Cramer is that if it's phony money, why are you still holding half? Why did you only cash out half of it? Why not cash out all of it? I mean, Bitcoin's at 63,000 now. If you think it's phony money, cash it all out. Put your money where your mouth is, Jim Cramer. Boy, the fact that he cashed out half of it, what a malaka. That's just a joke, YouTube. Just a joke. Don't nuke this channel. Anyway, guys, I don't agree with him cashing out on it because not financial advice. Not financial advice, guys. I know nothing about finances, not financial advice. I think Bitcoin is going to go much, much, much higher. Big mistake, Jim Cramer, in my opinion. But anyway, look, he bought Bitcoin at 12. It's now at 63. He made a lot of money, I'm sure. He paid off his house. Good on you. It's always good to take profits. Absolutely. Take profits from your gains. But don't call it phony money. Phony money. Don't call it that. Because you use that phony money to make a ton of fiat and you paid for your home. And you're still holding half of that phony money. Why are you holding half of that phony money? Unless you're the phony. He says, I know people are going to be angry with me, but I paid off a mortgage yesterday with it. Good on you. Good on you. Absolutely. No problem. I wouldn't have done it because I think it's going to go much higher. But, if you wanted to cash out and pay that mortgage, good on you. Take your profits, people. Take your gains from investment. Do it. Take your gains and pay off the things that you need to pay off. Pay off your debts, pay off your mortgage, absolutely. But don't call it phony money. And don't hold half of that phony money. Don't go on your platform and say this is phony money, but I still own half of it. Of what I bought when it was at 12K, I still have half of it. Be a little more honest, Jim Cramer. Once a Bitcoin critic, Cramer told his CTO to put $500K into Bitcoin after speaking to Morgan Creek Digital co-founder Anthony Papliano in September last year. He even considered putting 1% of his $150 million net worth into the digital asset. He must have a lot of Bitcoin, I'm sure. The people on Twitter, yeah, they came down hard on him. They came down hard on him. Selling Bitcoin, ? Yo, hey, Papliano, get your boy. Okay, so they're saying that. 12K apparently. Selling only 50% after a 5-time gain doesn't sound too silly. It isn't silly. It isn't silly. And I think if you have a mortgage, you have debt, and you've made a 5 times gain, take your profits, pay off that debt. Pay off that debt. But don't call it phony money because you're misleading the people that are listening to you. You can call it phony money if you sell all your Bitcoin and then you say, you know what, I sold all my crypto and I sold it because I made a lot of real money from this phony money. Then I'd say, okay, this guy's, at least he believes in what he's saying. But the fact that he's still holding half of his crypto, I don't take this guy seriously. Anyway, all right, guys, quick video, interesting news. Jim Cramer, CNBC, 12K, cashed out at 63K. He still thinks Bitcoin's phony, but that phony money paid for a physical, real-life house, and he is still holding half of that phony money. So what does it tell you? The fact that this guy that is worth $150 million and still does not want to cash out all his crypto. It means that in the back of his head, he believes it's not phony. That's what it tells me. That's what it tells me. That's the video, guys. Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum. You'll find those links down below. Help out this channel. And, of course, the Duran shop. Pick up a bug, guys. Help out this demonetized channel as well. Take care.